Sa sauce, gagamit tayo ng ketchup, liquid seasoning, tubig, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, cooking wine, mix and set aside. Mag-melt ng butter sa kawali. Pag melted na, ilagay na ang flour, mix until no lumps, and ilagay na ang sauce we made earlier. Season ng shrimp cube, let it boil, and when it thickens, turn off the heat and set aside. Magsutay ng onion and garlic and ginger until fragrant. Then add celery and carrot. Cook few seconds. Then add green and red pepper. Season ng salt and pepper. Ilagay na ang squid and mix very well. Kapag nag-pink in color ng squid, turn off the heat and set aside. Gagamit tayo ng sizzling plate, painitin at lagyan ng butter. Kapag melted na at smoking hot na ang plate, ilagay na ang cooked pusit and sauce, garnish ng green pepper and onion at ready to serve na yan. So guys, tara, kainan na!